Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session we had discussed B-tree deletion with an example. Now in this session we will discuss one more example of B-tree deletion of order 5. So what is the first step? Whenever we are giving an order, first to check the minimum number of keys and the minimum number of children. Similarly, the maximum keys and the maximum children. Okay, of order 5, the maximum number of children is 5, that is m. The maximum number of keys are m minus 1, 4. The minimum number of children are C of m by 2, 3. The minimum number of keys are m by 2 minus 1, that is 2. So these are the conditions. Now consider this example. So I am updating in the same tree. Delete to maintain all the properties. First delete an element 64. First I am deleting an element 64. 64 is in the leaf node. After deleting 64 also, the node contains two elements. So simply delete 64. No problem. Okay, now delete element 23. Suppose if you are removing the element 23, after deletion the node contains only one element, but the minimum required elements are 2. So now what to do? So if this case occur, immediately we are checking their left sibling and the right sibling. First we are checking the immediate left sibling. The immediate left sibling contains 3 elements. So minimum required is 2. It contains more than 2. So simply we are taking a borrow from the left sibling. How it happens? If you want to take a borrow from the left sibling, we are involved with the parent also. If you take a borrow from the left sibling, the largest element from the left sibling is copied into the parent, and the parent value is copied into the violated node. Okay, the largest value on the left sibling is copied into parent, and the parent value is copied into this node. That means 16 is copied into parent, 20 is copied into 23, and remove 23. So this becomes 20 and this is 16, and the 16 is removed from this node. Check each and every case it satisfies the binary search tree property, that is 16, 20 and 27 are greater than 16. Now remove an element 72. So this is the 72. After deleting 72, the node contains only one element, so it violates the property. What to do? Check for the left sibling. Check for the immediate left sibling. The immediate left sibling also contains 2 elements, so there is no borrow from the left sibling. Now check for the right sibling. The right sibling contains 3 keys. The right sibling contains 3 elements. Now take borrow from the right sibling. In case of previous one, if you are taking a borrow from the left sibling, the largest element on the left sibling is copied into the parent, and parent value is copied into the violated node. Now in this case, the smallest value, that is we are borrowing from right sibling. So the smallest value from the right sibling is copied into the parent, that is 77, and the 75 parent value is copied into this one, so 73, 75, and the 77 is removed from this node. Now this is the tree. Tree contains only 2 elements. This is the concept of 72 deletion. Now delete an element 65. So 65 is in this position. Suppose if you are deleting 65, check the left sibling. Left sibling contains only 2, the minimum keys. Right sibling also contains the minimum keys. That means the both left sibling and right sibling contains the minimum keys. Then what to do? Perform merge operation. Remember, to perform merge operation, okay, 2 cases are completed. First case is simply remove the element. Second case is rotation operation, that is borrow from the sibling. And the next case is, if there is no chance for borrowing from the siblings, perform merge operation. In the merge operation, we are involved the parent also. So which parent? 51, 52, 65, 68. For this, the parent is 60. That means that node becomes 51, 52, 60, 65, 78, and 65 is removed. And simply we are removing 65. Now what is the tree becomes? Remove the 60 from this. Remove the 60 and merge this one. 51, 52, 60, 68. And it is the left child for 70. And it is the left child for 70. Observe. Okay, simply perform merge operation. The 65 is removed. 51, 52, 60 and 78. The parent is also involved. Okay, this is the tree after removal of 65. Next, remove 20. So position of 20 is this one. Remember, always we are checking from the root node. 20 is less than 15, move to this one. 20 is greater than 10, this one. 20 is greater than 60, so move to right. This is the position of 20. Here also the same concept. After removing 20, what to do? Perform merge operation with the parent. So I am writing this node 10. By performing merge operation, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16 and 20 are merged. 14, 15, 16 and 27. See this one? Simply remove 20 and merge operation with the parent. After removing 20, we are checking the sibling. Sibling has a minimum number of keys. If the sibling also minimum number of keys, we are perform merge operation of the 2 nodes along with their parent. So by performing merging 14, 15, 16 and 27. But check this one. This is not the root node. It contains only one element. It is not the root node and it contains only one element. So node 10 violates the property. After perform merge operation, node 10 violates the property. Then what to do? Immediately we are checking its sibling. We are checking node 10 sibling. Node 10 sibling is 70 and 77. It also contains only 2 keys. So it is not possible. So this is the tree 70, 77. The parent is 50, 80. This is the subtree and the remaining tree is as it is. For 80 right subtree is as it is. Now the right sibling also contains 2 keys. Then what to do again? Perform merge operation. So by performing merge operation, these 10, 50, 70, 77 becomes one node. 10, 50, 70, 77 becomes one node. And the root contains 80. So the root can contains at least one element also. Okay, you understand? First, by removing 20 from this position, what happens? By removing 20, this happens. By removing 20, 14, 15, 16 and 27, this happens. Now it contains only one element, but it is not allowed. because the minimum key is required are 2. So check for the right sibling. The right sibling also contains the minimum keys, so it is also not possible. Then what to do? Perform merge operation of this 10 70 77 with 50 with 50. Now the tree becomes 80. Now the tree becomes 80 with left child. So again I will draw the tree. Tree is 80 with left child as 10 50 70 and 77. 10 50 70 and 77 is the left child, and 50 is removed, and 88. So this entire becomes the left child. This entire becomes the left child. Okay. So now this part is this one. 50 right child is this one. For 70, so simply erase. For 70 right child is this one. For 77 right child is this one. Okay, adjust the arrow marks. What to do? Perform merge operation. After performing merge operation, the 70 and 77 are linked. So this one 10 and 50, this is the link. For 50 right child is this one. For 70 this is the right child. For 77 this is the right child. Okay. After deleting 20, suppose delete an element 70. Delete an element 70. If you are deleting an element 70, the 70 is non-leaf node. What to do? If you want to delete an element, the element must be in leaf node. Then in this case, that element is replaced with either in-order predecessor or in-order successor. That is the largest element on the left subtree or the smallest element from the right subtree. So observe, for 70, the right subtree contains only 2 elements. For 70, this is the left subtree. The left subtree contains 4 elements. So simply we are replacing with the largest element on the left subtree. That is, here 70 is replaced with 68 and 70 is removed. And this is the tree we are getting. This is the tree we are getting. Okay. If the element is in non-leaf node, replace the element with either in-order predecessor or in-order successor. Whatever it is preferable, replace with anyone. If those two are not possible, perform merge operation. I will also explain the example. Now delete 95. Remove 95. So to remove 95, here in the case to remove 70, I am replaced with in-order predecessor. Suppose 95. What is the in-order predecessor? 93. It contains 2 elements. If you are replacing this one, it violates the property. For that purpose, 95 is replaced with in-order successor. So 95 is replaced with the smallest element on the right subtree, that is 100, and 100 is removed from this position. 100 is removed from this position. Now remove the element 77. Remove element 77. Suppose if you are removing element 77, what is the position of 77? 77 is at this position. 77 is at this position. The left subtree is this one, 73 and 75, and the right subtree is 78 and 79. Okay, observe. The in-order successor in the first example, in the removal of 70, I am replaced with in-order predecessor. In the removal of 95, replaced with in-order successor. Suppose if those two are not possible, why? Because to remove 75, check the left subtree. It contains 2 keys. If you are removing anyone, violates the property. The right also contains 2 keys. It violates the property. Then what to do? In this case, perform some operation. Simply remove 77 and perform merge operation. That means the tree becomes 80 10 50 68 10 50 68. 10 left child is 4 5 6, 10 middle one is 14, 15, 16, 27, 51, 52, 60. What to do? If we are removing 77, these two are merged. By removing this one, these two are merged. By merging 73, 75, 78, 79. That tree. So for 80, right side is as it is. Right side is 90, 100. And this one 82, 82, 89, 92, 93, 110, 11. Suppose remove 100 also. After 77, remove 100 also. Okay, by removing 100. Suppose before removing, first check the large worst case. Suppose remove 80. 80 is the root node. To remove 80, 80 is replaced with the smallest element on the left side. 80 is replaced with the largest element on the left side or the smallest element on the right side. Smallest element on the right side. No, 80 is replaced with largest element on the left side is 79. The largest element on the left side is 79. It contains 4 keys. So no problem. Simply remove 80 and place 79. And here also remove 79. Now last one, remove 100. By removing 100, what happens? The left subtree contains 2 keys. The right subtree also contains 2 keys. The left subtree contains 2 keys. The right subtree also contains 2 keys. So perform merge operation. By merging, the node becomes 92, 93, 110, 1111. Okay. But the root node 90, but this node contains only a single element. This node contains only a single element. In this case, what we have to do? Check for the sibling. In this case, what we have to do? Check for the sibling. Sibling contains 3 keys. Sibling contains 3 keys. So, take a borrow from the sibling. Take a borrow from the sibling. That means 68 is moved to the root. 68 is moved to the root. 10 and 50. And this 79 is moved to 90. 79 moved to 90. Now 10 left child is 4, 5, 6. The middle one is 14, 15, 16, 27. And 50 right child is 51, 52, 60. Okay. And for 68. And for 68, obviously this node, this is becomes the left child. 73, 75, 78. 81, 82, 89. Already these two are merged. By merging 92, 93, 11, 11. Okay. See, all the examples, all the cases are covered. Observe. So, what are the different cases? Simply delete a node from the leaf node. After deleting a node, after deletion of a node, there is no problem. That is, all satisfies, all conditions are satisfied, no problem. After deletion of a node, if it violates the property, one case is check for immediate siblings. One case is check for immediate siblings. Suppose if the immediate left sibling contains more than minimum element, take a borrow. In case of taking a borrow from the sibling, the parent is also involved. If you are taking a borrow from the left sibling, the largest element on the left sibling is moved to the parent and the parent value is copied into the violated node. If you take a borrow from the right sibling, the smallest element of the right sibling is copied into the parent and the parent value is copied to the violated node. This is case 2. Now another case is, suppose if the sibling also contains the minimum number of keys, then what to do? Perform merge operation. In the process of merge operation, consider the parent also. So consider the parent also, that is, bring the parent to the child level, and then perform merge operation. After taking the parent into the child level, if the parent also violates the property, If the parent also violates the property, again apply the same procedure, that is again check for the sibling. So the process is repeated. Only root contains at least one element. So this is the B tree deletion of order 5 by considering all the cases. Okay, thank you.